Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling camera permission and opening the QR Scanner app now. This gives the app real-time view. Once done, position your device roughly 6 to 12 inches away so the code fills the frame without cropping. Make sure to remove glare and steady your hands because scanning fails with motion blur. If your app has a flashlight toggle, use it in low light, otherwise move to brighter light. This setup speeds focus and ensures the code is readable to the algorithm. You now align the QR code inside the on-screen guide and keep the device steady. Centering helps the reader detect Finder patterns quickly. Once the code is recognized, the app usually beeps or displays a preview. Tap that preview to continue. If the camera won't lock, tap the screen to force focus or move fractionally closer to improve sharpness. Make sure to watch for pop-up prompts asking to open a link, copy text, or save contact details before you accept the action. You finish by selecting the action the scanner presents. Open a link, save a contact, or copy text, and verify the destination before confirming because malicious codes can redirect you. Once completed, close the preview if you want to keep browsing. Make sure to revoke temporary permissions afterward if concerned. If scanning fails, try cleaning the lens, increasing ambient light, or switching to another reputable scanner app. A quick restart of the camera or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.